Okay, this is a spa, a simple spa which can be done in everyone's home. You have to buy, I use only L'Oreal products. So buy yourself a spa according to your hair again. Okay, for dry hair you have got different spa treatments. A little tub, okay, which will last you at least 6-7 months. And then you got to wash your hair. The whole treatment has got a shampoo, the spa and your aftercare. Okay, just a little to close up the pores which have been weakened. So now they're going to now we have washed the hair with the spa shampoo, and we also have put a treatment in the spa which closes, it's a B12, okay, which closes up the pores. But that's fine, you can just take your spa, you apply it this way, massage it, leave it, put a steam on, a hot towel around your head, and then afterwards you rinse it out. And there is an aftercare to make sure that all your scalp has been closed up.
What are they doing now?
Okay, now they are massaging the product, the spa product, into the hair as well as your scalp. Okay, so this is one of the most loveliest treatments to use in your house every week. Every week you could do a spa, and I think your hair will say thank you. And your scalp will say thank you, honestly. Cynthia is my model here, and we're going to do, this is a treatment you have to do in a salon. You have to do in a salon, sorry, you have to, now because this is a high frequency, we're going to deal with dandruff, hair fall, and we're going to try and put the maximum amount of vitamins as well as oxygen into the scalp. Okay, so that's Imran, and he's going to do the treatment. This is a process which now we have got her scalp clean. See, you know what, the thing is, it's very, very important to get rid of dandruff. I always keep telling people, dandruff is the main problem is your stomach. Okay, so what is happening is that if after the festivals, if we are going to use a lot of dandruff, then we're going to get a lot of dandruff, then this is one of the main treatments to cure up our dandruff. Now we're going to apply a little bit of oil. Well, we have used olive oil, but you know, in Goa you can use coconut oil. We have used olive oil here, and we're going to apply the oil on each section. For people who have got dandruff or any hair problem, they have to drink a lot of water. I would say 4 to 6 liters a day. Warm water is the best if you can. It'll help you reduce also. And then the stomach has to be cleared. So when we are cleaning the stomach, automatically the dandruff gets cleared. Dandruff, if you all clear up the dandruff, you're also going to clear up your face. So it's a package deal. There are 2 types of dandruffs, please remember. There's a dandruff which for oily hair, people have got oily hair, and a dandruff of people who have got a dry scalp as well. The oily dandruff is rather difficult to treat. Now if Cynthia had a problem of oily dandruff, then I would be putting an aloe vera jelly on her head, on her scalp, no oil, because her scalp is already oily. Her hair is already oily. So it's very, very important to know your scalp, to know your hair, and to know your skin. So if Cynthia has got a problem of dry scalp, so it's a dry dandruff, which 3/4 of our people do have that problem. There are other treatments like, with the same spa, a hair mask. With a hair mask, just put brown sugar, the sugar we use to make cakes. It's really excellent. First you shampoo your hair like you normally do. Then take a hair mask, the same amount, 1 teaspoon of hair mask, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Apply it on your scalp. Don't let the sugar melt. The sugar is supposed to scrub the scalp. And then rinse it truly. I mean, these are little techniques which you could do in the house, and that gets rid of dandruff. Fantastic dandruff treatment, because there are many people who suffer from dandruff. You know, the ones who have got acute dandruff should wash their hair every single day. There is another remedy is normal shampoo, 250 ml. Put 30 tablets of aspirin or Disprin and shampoo your hair every day. And then the hair gets a bit coarse, but the scalp is clean and its scalp breathes. The important is to not let your scalp clog. If you clog your scalp, you're going to get hair fall, you're going to get all sort of scalp infections, psoriasis. We have to get rid of these things, which is so common. So these are small metabolic psoriasis, please, the brown sugar and the mask, not the aspirin one. So these are men things. Call up, find out Julie's hair with the mask. We massaged her scalp for at least 10-15 minutes. And now we're going to put a hot towel to open up the scalp. Okay, so all the vitamins will get inside. These are things you can do in your house. Over here now we're going to use a high frequency rays. Okay, we're going to use the high frequency here, and this is a treatment which is excellent for dandruff, hair fall, psoriasis, all these problems we have. This is one of the best treatments going along. This doesn't hurt at all. You just get the impression that you've got little ants up your scalp. Correct? She's smiling. Cynthia, honestly, does this hurt you? It tickles, no? Just a little bit of a tingy feeling of tickling. But it's, because of the ultra rays also, no? It is the high frequency rays, so that's why it's... But this is best to do these treatments, because any products you're applying on your scalp, it seeps in faster. You know, today all our technologies, I mean all our work normally is with high frequency. Our skin, even around the eyes, to get this black off. This treatment should be done at least once a week. If you want, it depends on the acute hair fall or the acute problem. Now that we've used the high frequency, okay, we all can't get the smell, but yes, it does smell because of the penetration of the frequency in the scalp. So that is why you can get a whiff, no? You can get a little smell. If nothing has burnt, she's not burnt. Cynthia is still with us. Yeah. Now we're going to end up, this is a hair mask. So now we're going to put the hair mask on the rest of her hair, and then we're going to rinse out her hair. Okay. If because the oil is not too much, okay? But we're going to put a little shampoo here. This is the good technique. A little shampoo and rinse. Okay? It is only... This is a mask, a hair mask. Always be careful when you are using conditioners, because conditioners on the scalp lead to dandruff. So always take a mask, a hair mask, it's safer. Okay? Another thing is the hair mask enters into the 3 shafts of the hair. So we are nourishing the hair. You know, I always tell people that today's technologies are so advanced that if it's done correctly, we will not ruin our hair. It's when it's done badly, that's where hair fall starts. You know, if we use a correct hair straightening product, we don't lead to dryness of the scalp. So now we are through, and we are just going to, Imran is just going to have to put a serum, which is like a par dose, which closes the pores. If you can see now, her scalp is absolutely clean, spotlessly clean and breathing. Please don't, you know, because we are talking about dandruff here, please do not, I do not encourage shampoos for dandruff. I do not encourage what we see a lot, you know, people selling off brands. For me, home treatments for dandruffs are much better. They work better, because dandruff is, if you keep on using strong shampoos for dandruff, the scalp for 15-20 days they look really clean and healthy, but it gets worse. So it's better to stick to home remedies. Dandruff, drink a lot of water, drink a lot of water. So I've told you all so much today. I hope you all have learned a lot. Honestly, I really hope. Please cure your dandruff. Get your skins right. Eat less fatty food. Thank you so much.
I hope you liked today's episode. Keep watching Fashionista, and if you have any queries or suggestions, please write in to me at features@prudentmedia.in. Till then, take care and goodbye.